How to get purple notes on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get purple notes on Instagram. Now, Instagram has launched a new feature where you can get purple notes. So here, as you can see, I've got a purple note over here. However, every note on Instagram is not turned purple. There are only certain key phrases and emojis that you can use to get purple notes, but for this you first of all want to update your Instagram app to the latest version. Head over to Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search icon over here. Now you want to search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. After updating the app, you will get the latest features on your application. Now you want to log into your account, then tap on the chats icon at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on your note option. Here, if you leave a random note, as you can see, it's not turned into purple and it's just a normal note. Now, if you want to make your Instagram notes purple, you have to use some keywords. So here, as you can see, these are the keywords you need to use. So the keywords here are 2024, 2025, New Year, and these two emojis right here. So if you use any of these keywords, you're going to get purple note. For example, I'm going to type in 2024 is over and tap on the share option. Since 2024 is the keyword, as you can see, the note has been turned purple. You can also just use these key emojis over here, and that will also turn your notes into purple. So just make sure that you include these keywords in your notes, and with this you will get the purple notes on Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.